Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop background running apps on iPhone. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your phone settings and then select battery, and right now you just need to scroll down and you just need to find out which apps are running on background. There have a Chinese app, also Instagram. On the next you can see background activity. That means these two apps are running on background, so that's why I just need to stop it. So let's back and select general, and you just need to scroll down and you can find a option background app refresh. Just open this and you just need to, here you can see this is Instagram. I just stop it. Also I need to find out this Chinese app. I also stop it. So in this way you can stop background running app on iPhone. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.